Yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome to the Point FS. So, guys, I would like to give you guys a clue and also how my day went today. I always like dropping updates to you guys how I was able to smash and also how I was able to take losses as well. So, without wasting much of your time, guys, this is today's history. This is my history for today's trade. So, I hope you guys can see. I was able today was quite up and down, up and down. So I initially made a loss of $150. So in the morning during the London section, so I took so much loss of about $150, and it's kind of a little bit close to my daily loss limits, of which once I reach up to $200 loss for a day, and I always call it off for a day. But today I was able to bounce back and also recover back the $150 and also having extra $36. So you guys can see this is my analysis for this is my trade history for today. Like I said earlier, this is the losses I made during the London section. Then I took advantage of the New York section and I was able to recover back the money. So let me just take you and also show you guys what I did and how I was able to lost the how I was able to took those losses and also how I was able to recover those losses. So let's go back to the chart, guys. So I think you guys can see I'm a lover of trend line. So and I always go back, all the way back to the higher time frame. I start from daily time frame, then I go all the way down to 4 hours time frame in order to determine the movement and direction of the market for the day. So and the market is still bullish. You guys know that ever since 3 weeks now, market has been bullish ever since 3 weeks now, and even gold has been creating all-time high every week. You guys can see currently now gold is already at all-time high of about let's say 20. This is 26. Okay, let me just use this arrow in order to show you guys what I'm talking about. So gold is currently at all-time high of 2650.78. So gold is creating all-time high every week. So currently before so let me just go back. So I always go back through my higher time frame in order to determine the movement of the market for that particular day. So gold is still bullish, is still in an uptrend direction. So and I was able to always make use of my trend lines, being it my horizontal, my vertical, and all of them. So and you guys know that I'm a lover of trend lines. So this is why I always tell you guys to always make use of your analysis, the one that is best well known to you. So for me is trend lines. So and I was able to mark out my trend lines from the higher time frame and also from the lower time frame with 15 minutes as well. So but first and foremost, going through the 4 hour time frame, I hope you guys can see how I was able to mark out the trend lines here. So here was the previous all-time high. So all these were the strong resistance level, strong support level, and strong resistance level, and so the rest of them. That is how I always indicate and also use this trend line in order to give a clue on each of the directions I'm about to use in order for that particular trade for the day. So you guys can see, so all these trend lines here are strong resistance level and strong support levels. So and today basically during the new London section here, so which was within this particular area. So during the London section, of you guys can see I took a buy, because on that particular buy I saw that there is a very clear confirmation that I noticed that definitely gold is going an uptrend direction, but I was manipulated at this particular area, of which I have already bought. I have already bought because I noticed that from the lower time frame, from the 5 minutes time frame, this particular area has been liquidated. So and I went for a buy. So that was when gold now chose to do his own thing. And as you guys know how gold moves in a very volatile way, and gold was able to slash all the way down and took my stop loss. That is my maximum limit for stop loss is 40 pips. So I have to give a breathing air for my trades. So that was how I was able to hit out from the market, and of which I was able to took those losses of these losses you can see here. This tons of losses you are seeing here, 21, 20, because I normally set out. So as you can see, so then how I was able to recover these losses is that during the New York session, because I always also love trading in the New York session due to the high volatility of the section. So this is how I was able to win this winning streak during the New York section. Then let me show you guys how I was able to win this winning streak during the New York session. So from the higher time frame as well, I noticed that from the higher time frame, I noticed that this particular spot here has been a very strong. It has been a very strong support and support resistance zone. So let me just go over to the lower time frame, 15 minutes time frame, so that you guys will see it clearly. Okay, yeah, okay, let me just move to 30 minutes 30 minutes as well, so you guys can see it now. So this particular area here has been a very strong resistance zone, of which once the market reaches this particular level, it bounces back, it's come up, it bounces back, it comes up, it bounces back. So gold during the New York session, and it was privileged as well. Let me just say privileged, because I noticed that this particular area has been a very strong resistance zone. So I have to let it go so that gold will do its own thing before I'm able to place any entry. So you guys can see this is my trend line of having a very high resistance strong zone here. So I was able to leave gold to do its own thing, of which gold finally break out the structure, of which it's now move all the way high. Then if you go back to the lower time frame, you will see the fresh breakout structure, which simply means that when gold broke out this particular structure, as you can see, when gold came up here, it bounced back, came up here, it bounced back, then it now break out the structure, then it also then reversed back then before it started moving upwards again. So that is where at this particular spot, this is where I was able to took a very advantage of this particular trade and be able to smash back my losses and be able to have additional $36 on it, because my normal profit target is always $40, above $40 in a day. So at least I was able to make close to $40, which is my profit target. So that is how I was able to utilize this opportunity using the fresh breakout strategy. So this is the fresh breakout strategy, just like this. Then when the market comes here, it bounces back, it comes here, it bounces back, then it break out the structure, then it will reverse back again, then it moves up. So this is how I was able to confirm this particular setup. Then I took a buy again, and I was able to smash and recover back my $150 losses, and be able to add additional $36 on top of it. So that's how I was able to smash today's trade. So you guys can see. So I'm being transparent here, so you guys can see this is my winning streak for today. After all ups and downs, I was able to bounce back my losses and also be able to have additional $36 profits. So that is it, guys. So please, if you know that you find value in my videos, so please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. For I'm always here to give you guys the best fundamentals and also the best strategies and analysis for you guys to follow and be able to start making good amount of money for yourself. So please do well to subscribe to the channel. And also, if you know that you are finding it difficult in any kind of question at all, please do well to drop your question on the comment section so that I'll be able to make a video for you, and also so that you guys can be able to get money and also get the questions, the answer to the question that you're asking for. So please do well to drop your questions on the comment section below, and also do well to subscribe to the channel. So and see you guys. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next video.